Hey there, space enthusiasts! Did you know that Earth just captured a brand new mini-moon? On September 29, 2024, a space rock about the size of a school bus, named 2024 PT5, became Earth's temporary satellite. Yes, you heard that right. Our planet has a second moon, at least for the next 2 months. But there's a catch. While this mini-moon might be orbiting our planet, you won't be able to see it with the naked eye. Let's dive into what makes this event so special and why it's worth talking about. Let's start by addressing the big question. What is a mini-moon? You've probably heard about asteroids and meteors, but mini-moons are a bit different. Technically, mini-moons are small asteroids that get temporarily captured by Earth's gravitational pull. Unlike our permanent moon, these cosmic hitchhikers don't stay for long. They're usually in orbit for a short time before either breaking free to continue their journey around the sun or, less commonly, burning up in Earth's atmosphere. In the case of 2024 PT5, this tiny visitor is expected to stick around for about 57 days, making its last trip around us on November 25, 2024, before heading back into space. This isn't the first time Earth has captured a mini-moon, but it's still a rare event. Mini-moons are small, making them extremely difficult to spot. That's why we're excited about 2024 PT5, even if you won't be able to see it without a professional-grade telescope. Its size, about 33 feet or 10 meters wide, makes it roughly the same size as a school bus. To put that in perspective, it's at least 300,000 times smaller than our permanent moon. So while it's fascinating that Earth has temporarily gained a new moonlet, don't expect to see a second glowing orb in the night sky. But what's the story behind this space rock? 2024 PT5 is part of a group of near-Earth objects known as Arjuna asteroids. These asteroids have orbits that closely match Earth's, which increases their chances of being pulled into our planet's gravity from time to time. Most Arjuna asteroids pass by without incident, but this one got a little too close and got stuck, at least temporarily. And that's one of the coolest things about space. While we tend to think of the solar system as having predictable, stable bodies like the sun, planets, and moons, there's actually a lot of smaller, dynamic stuff out there, zipping around and occasionally visiting us. So, what makes this mini-moon special? For starters, it's not every day that we get to witness a celestial body being captured by Earth's gravity. Most of the time, asteroids simply fly by unnoticed. Mini-moons like 2024 PT5, however, provide researchers with a rare opportunity to study the behavior of small objects in Earth's gravitational field. Understanding how these asteroids move can help scientists learn more about near-Earth objects in general, information that could be crucial for future missions or even for planetary defense strategies. You might be wondering, if this mini-moon is so close, why can't I see it? Well, the answer lies in its size and brightness. Unlike our permanent moon, which is large and reflects a lot of sunlight, 2024 PT5 is relatively tiny and dim. As Professor Carlos de la Fuente Marcos, an astronomer from the Universidad Complutense de Madrid, pointed out, this object is simply too faint for amateur telescopes and binoculars. Even if you have a high-end backyard telescope, it's unlikely you'll spot it. The asteroid's dimness and small size put it well outside the range of most commercial equipment. But don't lose hope. Professional astronomers are already on the case, using powerful telescopes to track 2024 PT5's journey. It's possible that images of the mini-moon will be released in the coming weeks, so we may soon get a glimpse of this cosmic traveler. Until then, we can only imagine what this bus-sized asteroid looks like as it loops around our planet. Now you might be asking yourself, what happens after November 25th? That's the date when 2024 PT5 will break free from Earth's gravitational pull. Once it's released, it will continue its orbit around the sun, much like any other asteroid. But here's where things get really interesting. This isn't the last time we'll hear from 2024 PT5. Due to its orbit and proximity to Earth, astronomers expect it to make another close flyby in January 2025, and yet another in 2055. Who knows, it might even become a mini-moon again in the future. So let's talk about the science behind these temporary satellites. Mini-moons like 2024 PT5 give scientists a chance to study orbital mechanics up close. When a small asteroid gets caught in Earth's gravity, It follows a path determined by the planet's gravitational field, the speed and direction of the asteroid, and its distance from Earth. This interaction offers valuable insights into how gravity influences objects in space, especially those that come dangerously close to our planet. By studying these mini-moons, we can learn more about potential hazards and how to mitigate them in the future. In fact, one of the most exciting applications of this research is its potential use in planetary defense. As humanity becomes more aware of the threats posed by near-Earth objects, studying how asteroids behave in our planet's gravitational field could help us develop strategies to deflect or redirect dangerous objects before they have a chance to hit Earth. This is the same type of research that informs projects like NASA's DART mission, which recently succeeded in altering the orbit of an asteroid in a historic test of planetary defense technology. So while 2024 PT-5 poses no threat, it still contributes to a growing body of knowledge that could one day help protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts. But not all mini-moons come and go without a trace. Some of them have been known to enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up, creating brilliant fireballs in the sky, though 2024 PT-5 isn't expected to do this. These events are rare but memorable. One such instance occurred in 2006 when a mini-moon called 2006 RH120 was captured by Earth's gravity for about 11 months before burning up in the atmosphere. Fortunately for us, 2024 PT-5 will continue its peaceful journey around the Sun after its brief rendezvous with Earth. Another fascinating aspect of these space rocks is their potential for future exploration. Some scientists believe that mini-moons could be ideal targets for asteroid mining or other space missions. Since they're already in Earth's gravitational field, sending spacecraft to study or even mine them could be more cost-effective than reaching asteroids in deeper space. Imagine one day using mini-moons as stepping stones for deeper space exploration, or even harvesting valuable resources from them to support future missions. While 2024 PT-5 isn't a target for mining, the concept itself opens up a world of possibilities. So, while 2024 PT-5 is quietly orbiting us right now, its presence raises big questions about space exploration, asteroid mining, and even planetary defense. It's a reminder that our cosmic neighborhood is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we sometimes realize. In conclusion, Earth's new mini-moon might be small, dim, and invisible to us, but it carries a huge significance in the grand scheme of things. It reminds us that we are constantly interacting with the cosmos in ways we're only just beginning to understand. So keep your eyes on the sky, not to see 2024 PT-5, but to stay curious about the infinite wonders of our universe. There you have it, a deep dive into Earth's fascinating new cosmic companion. If you're as intrigued by space phenomena as we are, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things space. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.